right, here we are at the second unit of
It's beautiful. It's even more better than the last one.
Liam thinks it's better. This is the second unit of the
Yes.
historic property that we have in downtown Albuquerque. So I love these windows, guys. If you saw the photo shoot that I got to do with my sweet friend Rosetta, this is where we set up for that. So right by these windows, and the natural light is just so perfect, and the windows are so big and beautiful. So the ceilings are extra high. That's a pretty standard height refrigerator there, so you can see how tall that ceiling is. So that's really exciting. And again, we do have the natural wood original floors partially in here, but we're gonna have to cover them. So I have beautiful flooring picked out, so it's still gonna be a stunning space. So this one's gonna be more of a studio. The other one I just did a video of, which I shared with you guys, is one bedroom. This one is just going to be a studio. So this room that you come into when you first walk in is going to have a sleeping arrangement, and it's going to be a living room / sleeping room. Look at this doorknob. Oh, I love it. Here's a really spacious closet. The closet space.
Every essential is in there.
Every essential is in there.
Yes.
Again, beautiful casings on these doors with these amazing window spaces above them. I love it. Here, this is going to be the kitchen. So,
yeah, it's going to be really small.
It's going to be perfect. So what you're looking at here is I have a small cabinet that's going to go here. This stove is going to be gone. We'll have a refrigerator right here. Farmhouse style sink right here. Beautiful cabinetry. We're going to have upper open shelving on this wall around that window. There's the back door, and then on this side we'll have some more cabinetry and then a spot for a micro kitchen with the range hood over it. So it's all coming together, and that's also where the water heater goes, right there in that corner.
I also have a karate move.
Liam's got karate moves. So here's our water heater. This is the bathroom. I mean, you guys, come on, that wall color, goodness gracious. But this will be a complete rebuild as well. Except the shower is the tile in the shower is in good condition. So I think that is going to stay.
Family rituals on Mondays.
But aside from that, we're going to just redo the whole thing. I have a great vision for this. I'm excited about it. I don't know if you can tell, but that corner right there is not a perfect point. It's flattened. It is so cool. It is so cool. And again, these ceilings are high, so really excited to see the transformation of this space. Another really great window in there as well. We got a closet here right off of the kitchen. And then we have some ideas about what we might do with this space, but I'm going to leave that for a future video. And there's a stove that we're not keeping. So here's the view again back through. That's the front door, and then that room over there is the living room, which will also be like a sleeping area. So this will be a kind of a studio style. So one more shot. There's, you guys, there's my vintage sofa.
Yeah.
That's a sleeper sofa. I'm going to take you out here, you can see it. It's on the front porch right now, but we're going to get it all cleaned up. Found this at one of my favorite flea markets. It's beautiful. We're going to get it safe in this space just as soon as we can. Cute little ottoman. Okay, that'll do it. Have a great day. Take care. Be safe. Be well.
Bye.
Country Charm ice cream. How cute is that?
Bye.